Of course, we've got our bowl, we've got our cloth because things might get messy, our mixing spoon, and our measuring cups and spoons. So let's get mixing. First things first, we're going to start off with 2/3 cup of glue. And make sure we get all of our glue. La la la. Probably want to take your finger or your measuring little mixing spoon, make sure you get all that glue. Okay. Start off with 2/3 cup of glue, and then we add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And next, we will add 1/4 cup of water. And then we mix it up. Next, we will add our shaving cream, and you can add 2 to 3 cups. I chose 2 cups. You can add another cup if you want, because the more shaving cream you add, the fluffier it'll be. So that's 1 cup. There we go. And that's 2 cups. Okay. And then we mix. See, it's looking a little messy, but we're just going to mix it all together. Together. Almost got it. And actually, I think I'm going to add just a little more shaving cream, just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Mix it all together. Let's see, next up, we'll add just a little bit of food coloring. Okay. Just a little bit. See, it's all coming together. You want to make sure everything is mixing together. Mix it up. It's a lovely shade of pink. Okay. And next up, we slowly add our contact solution. And you'll want about a teaspoon, actually a tablespoon and a half of this. You'll want to add that. Okay, and you'll want to keep on mixing it. And ooh, look at that. It's all coming together because the contact solution helps the glue. That's what makes the slime. And it's all coming together. If you want to add a little more contact solution, you can. Ooh, yes, I think this one is about ready for some kneading. And let's stick our hands, oh my, into our slime. And ooh, there we go, yes. And I recommend that you knead for about 5 minutes But if it's a little too sticky, you can add baby oil to your hands or lotion. But that, my friends, is how you make fluffy slime. So thank you very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.